I'm very excited to share with you the new version of Codeplot. Codeplot is an infinite canvas for data exploration work. Think of it as Figma, but for data work. Instead of doing your exploratory data analysis, scrolling through a lot of Jupyter Notebook cell outputs, you can be much more productive doing your exploration on an infinite canvas. And that's why Codeplot exists, to enhance the data exploration of a lot of folks. So let me explain how it works. In the right side of my screen, I have the Codeplot web application running on the public codeplot.com instance. You can run your local application and using Docker. The instructions are on the GitHub repo, but for this demo, I'm using the public codeplot.com. In the left side, I have a notebook open on my VS Code. And as you can see, I have the Codeplot IPython extension installed in my environment. So if you don't have this extension, you just need to do a quickly pip install codeplot-ipython and you are good to go. When you load a snapshot file or create a new file, you need this Codeplot URL to connect your IPython to the canvas. So basically, I will copy this URL here, I will paste here, and I will run these magic commands. The first one is to load the IPython extension. The second one is the cp connect magic, which connects to the Codeplot client. And the cp suppress, which is a magic command to suppress the outputs of the notebook. So let me run this. And okay, we are now connected. And the first thing to do is start our data exploration. Let me import the Titanic dataset and run the df.head command. And okay, we have the data frame here. We can scroll, we can resize, and also let me plot the shape, the data types, and everything that we run here, all the computations are plotted in our infinite canvas. So I can resize, I can move, I can drag, and I can also use some of the tools here. Like, for example, I can use arrows to do some references. I can add text. I can draw. So for example, I want to highlight something here. I can highlight. And yeah, of course. So since it's an infinite canvas, we can do a lot of annotations and we have much more flexibility to compare, to plot things, right? So let me plot the describe method here. And okay, we have the describe here, the count, the mean, the standard deviation. And what about the plots and charts? And yeah, of course, you can plot using Seaborn, Matplotlib, Plotly, whatever you want. So for example, here, I am plotting the survival count. Let me run this cell. And great, we have the chart here. Let me resize a little bit. Yeah. Let me put here. You can also do some annotations here as well. Yeah. So yeah, you see, it's an infinite canvas for data exploration work. So instead of scrolling a lot of cell outputs, we have code on the left, outputs on the right. And I really believe that this is the best workflow for data teams, data science, anyone who is exploring data using Python. So I invite you to join on the Codeplot Discord, and also I invite you to start our project in GitHub, because I really think that we can make this a huge community of people who are looking for a much better way to explore data. See you